So I'll be guiding you through the process of listing your account in plugyard.com. Maybe if you have a Facebook account you want to sell, TikTok account, Instagram account, Twitter, Snapchat, Test Plus that you want to sell for cash. Plugyard is a very legit platform which I've been using for more than 3 to 4 months now. And one thing I like about the platform is the instant withdrawal. So let's get started. First of all, you select the account type you want to list. For this tutorial, I'll be listing Facebook. Input the year the account was created, 2016. I'll input 2016. Country, you can put United States or any country. Then category, input a category. So for this video, I will input on Facebook 2016 to elf, friends, switch profile, and so on. So category is kind of a way to group your Facebook account. Like maybe if you have 6 accounts that has the same informations and details or similar details, then you can group them in one category. So then the next step is this place you input the login details of the account you want to say. There are 2 ways to do this: manual entry and then upload the .ts file. But for this video tutorial, I'll be using the manual entry. So to get started, click on the add button and input will be displayed. So you input the login details of the account you want to say. Let's say for example, mind you, these are not true account, that just for this tutorial sake. So I'll say maybe username, these are just test details, not true. Password, email, sorry, okay, email password, and if the account comes with 2F, you can also include the 2F key here. So it depends. These are just, they are not real account. So if maybe you are listing more than one account for that category, you can add more inputs, add more. So you add more, add the next account login details here, add the next account login details here. But for this tutorial, we'll be listing just only one account for sale. So then next is the description. So it says enter each feature on a new line. So for example, the features are like what the account comes with, the features of the account. Maybe if the Facebook account has 100 followers, you can include it. Has 100 to 200 friends. Okay, next line comes with 2F and email access, and you can also add your rules here. You can maybe say rules, okay, don't change password immediately. And if you have any other thing, you can put maybe buy one account first, and if you are okay, then buy more. and so on and so on. You can put many features you want. So the next is the price you want to sell the account for. Let's say for example you want to sell it for 3,000 each of the account. So yeah, the platform takes 10%. So when the Facebook account is purchased from your store, the platform will take 10%. You'll be sent 2,500, 2,700, and the platform will take 300 of it. Then after everything, cross check everything, and then you click on add, and that is it. So to see your listed accounts, you go to active product. As you can see, these are currently the active accounts I have. So I'll be deleting this account because it's kind of a fake, not a real data, and you can delete any of the accounts anytime you want. So yeah, you can see your sold products. As you can see, I've been selling on the platform. I've been selling for months. I've sold so many, and I've received my payment instantly. You can withdraw anytime you want. Okay, I think the minimum withdrawal is 1,000 naira. So you can see I've been selling since May this year, I think April. So that is it for it. And next, you can check your refund product. These are accounts that users has open dispute for. So that is it.